How to get more views on Offerup. I am going to show you how you can get more views on Offerup. One of the most obvious but important Offerup tips for sellers is to add multiple, high-quality photos to your listings. People want to see numerous product photos before they agree to fork over money for something. This is especially true for expensive products or categories like apparel, where you want to see as many sides and angles of the clothing as possible. You can add up to 5 photos on Offerup, so you might as well make the use of the real estate. Bonus points if you take photos of the product while it is in use, or of things like tags that can show important information like material or sizing. Increase your Offerup organic views with good listings. When you post something on Offerup, it becomes live. It becomes live in the marketplace, where Offerup customers can stumble across your listing. When someone finds your Offerup listing frame searching or browsing the marketplace, this counts as an organic view. In other words, the buyer found you naturally, without having you to promote or bump your listing. Getting more organic views on offer is a seller's dream because this means you are getting buyers with a high level of purchase intent to view your listings. Here are some tips to get more Offerup organic views in titles. Write a title that is similar to what a potential buyer would search for. In descriptions, write in-depth product description that mention things like brand, size, condition, and any relevant information that a buyer would be curious about. In photos, as mentioned, add as many product photos as you can to make a better Offerup listings.